Let's make an obstacle course. Hello, my amazing friends. It's me, Blippi. Are you ready to have so much fun today? I am so excited because we are going to go on a special adventure right inside your house or in your backyard. We are going to build something super cool called an obstacle course. Wow, that sounds like a big fun word, doesn't it? An obstacle course is like a playful path with lots of fun things to do. You get to jump, crawl, and balance all in one game. Okay, builders, the first thing we need to do is find our materials. That's another big word that means all the stuff we need to build our amazing course. If we are building inside our house, we can look for things that are soft and safe. Let's start by looking at the couch. Wow, look at all those big squishy cushions. They are perfect. Let's ask a grown-up if we can borrow them for our game. We can also find pillows from a bed. Now, what if we want to build our obstacle course outside in the backyard? Ooh, that sounds like a fantastic idea. We can look for pool noodles. They are long and bendy and so colorful. We could also use things like buckets to jump over. Remember, friends, we want to choose things that won't hurt us. Okay, do you have all your materials? Great job! You are a fantastic treasure hunter. Are you ready for our first obstacle? Let's build a giant soft mountain. This is going to be so much fun. Take all those big couch cushions we found and let's pile them up in the middle of the room. We can stack one on top of another, or we can make a long row of them. Let's make it a little bit tall, but not too tall, so it's safe to climb over. This is our cushion mountain. Wow, look at it. Now, how to climb our cushion mountain? Use your hands and your knees. At the very top, shout, "I'm at the top of the mountain." Now get down the other side very carefully. Slide down on your tummy. Being a safe mountain climber is very important. Don't try to jump off the top of the mountain. You climbed your very first obstacle. Give yourself a big clap. Wow, you were so good at climbing that mountain. Now, for our next challenge, we are going to build something that helps us practice our balance. We are going to make a wiggle-wobble balance beam. That sounds silly, doesn't it? For this, we can use a long pillow or maybe a blanket that we fold up into a long skinny line on the floor. If you're outside, you could use a garden hose. Now, how do we walk on the wiggle-wobble balance beam? The trick is to go nice and slow. To help you balance, you can stretch your arms out to the side, just like an airplane. Look at you, you're flying. Try to keep your feet on the blanket or pillow path the whole time. It might feel a little wobbly, and that's okay. Look at you walking all the way from one end to the other. You have amazing balance. High five! You climbed a mountain and balanced on a beam. You are an obstacle course superstar. What's next on our adventure? It's time to build a super secret tunnel. Ooh, tunnels are so mysterious and fun to crawl through. For this, we can use a big cardboard box if we found one. Or we can use 2 chairs and put a big blanket over the top of them. This makes a dark and cozy cave for us to crawl through. Now, it's time to become a little creature, like a tiny turtle, and crawl through our tunnel. It might be a little dark inside the tunnel, but that's what makes it a secret and exciting. You can pretend you are exploring a deep, dark cave looking for hidden treasure. As you crawl through, you can make funny animal sounds. Maybe you can moo like a cow. Keep going. You're almost at the end, and you're out. You made it through the super secret tunnel. You are so brave and so strong. You've completed 3 amazing obstacles. Okay, my friends, our obstacle course is built. Let's take a look. Before we start, let's do a quick safety check. Okay, on your marks. Get set. Go. First up is the cushion mountain. Use your strong arms and legs to pull yourself up to the top. You're on top of the world. What's next? It's the wiggle-wobble balance beam. Stretch out your airplane arms and take one careful step at a time. And now for the grand finale. Get down low and get ready to enter the super secret tunnel, and you're out. You did it. You completed the entire obstacle course. That was amazing. Give yourself a big, big cheer. You know what makes playing in an obstacle course even more fun? Doing it with friends or family. Teamwork is so great. Teamwork is when we work together with other people. You can invite your brother, your sister, or maybe you can ask your grown-up, your mom, your dad. When you have a team, you can build an even bigger and better obstacle course. Maybe your friend has a great idea for a new obstacle. Let's add a part where we have to spin around 3 times. You can cheer for your friends while they go through the course. Sometimes, one of the obstacles might be a little tricky. As a good teammate, you can help him. It's not about who is the fastest, It's about having fun together and making sure everyone feels included. Teamwork is the best. Wow, what an incredible day of playing. We built, we climbed, we balanced, we crawled, and we played together. But look, our adventure has left all of our building materials around the room. When we are all done playing, it's very important to help clean up. We can make it another fun adventure, the amazing Tidy Up Time adventure. We can make it a race. Who can put a pillow back on the couch the fastest? We can pretend we are strong construction workers, lifting the heavy cushions and carrying them back to the couch. Let's fold the blanket we used for our balance beam. Every piece of our obstacle course has a home. The cushions live on the couch, the pillows live on the bed, the chairs live at the table. Look at that, the room is all clean and tidy again. You did it! You are not only an amazing obstacle course champion, but you are also a super-duper cleanup champion. Thank you for playing with me, my friend. It was so much fun. I can't wait for our next adventure together.